The Huawei MateBook X Pro features a metal unibody design with a sandblasted finish and is slimmer than the 13-inch MacBook Pro. It comes with an intelligent cooling system which sports a shark fin design and features a full-size backlit spill-proof keyboard as well. It is priced at about 1,499 euros, which is 1,20,000 rupees approximately directly converted, for the Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. The price for the i7 8GB RAM and 512GB storage variant is about 1,699 euros, which is about 1,35,000 rupees directly converted. As for the i7 16GB RAM and 512GB storage variant, it is priced at about 1,899 euros, which is about 1.5 lakh rupees directly converted. The laptops are expected to be made available in select markets from Q2 of 2018. The Huawei MateBook X Pro is powered by up to the 8th generation of Intel processors and comes with a discrete GeForce MX150 GPU on board. It features a 14-inch screen with a 91% screen-to-body ratio and a 3000 by 2000 pixels resolution. The laptop supports Thunderbolt 3, which means that it can support an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 external graphics card and a 4K display as well. The device is also equipped with a Dolby sound supporting quad speaker setup. In order to go bezel-less, the company has placed the webcam beneath the F5 key and it can be popped up manually for use. Additional features on the device include a fingerprint sensor which is integrated into the power button. In terms of battery life, the laptop boasts of 12 hours of video playback and up to 15 hours of web browsing. It will come with a pocket charger which supports fast charging and claims of topping up to 6 hours of usage in 30 minutes. Thank you for tuning in, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel.